can text if you want to, stickers. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you guys on how you can use TikTok for beginners. When I first started using TikTok, I wasn't really familiar with a lot of steps and all that, so I feel that there are lots of people out there who does not know how to use TikTok. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use your TikTok app, and I'm going to be screen recording my phone and show you the process and everything on how you can use the app. So keep watching. So what you basically need to do is to go to App Store or Play Store and download TikTok. And when you download TikTok, it's going to show you to register. You can use your phone number, your email address, your Facebook account, or your Twitter, or your Instagram, any account you feel that you want to use to register your TikTok. It's not really difficult. So when you finish registering your TikTok, I think I'm going to put a clip at this side. I don't know where, but I'm going to show you a clip on how you can do it so you all understand what it's showing. So when you register your TikTok, you're going to see my profile. You can see my profile, then I'm in home page now. So when you're in home page, you see discovered. You can see discover what is trendy and inbox. They can send you message in your inbox. Message can come in your inbox and your profile. So if you go back to home page, any music that is playing, you can save, you can love, you can like, which is that love symbol. You can comment, you can share the video if you like the video. Then you can save the video if you want. So if you like the music, you can save it. You can click on it and add to favorite. Even the effect as well, you can click on it to say you favorite. So if you want to do your video, you can when you go to sound to show you discover and favorite, then you click your own favorite song you want to play. Then you can start timer. You can put timer to start recording. If you don't want to, just click on the screen and start playing. If you don't want it to show, you can click timer and it will play. It has effect, text. You can text if you want to, stickers, different kind of sticker you want. You can stream the video if you like. If the one that you recorded is not that clear, you can trim it to what you want. You can add text. So if you're done recording, you can click on the check button and it will show you if you want to post or save to draft. If you want in the post side, you can put any caption you want, any hashtag you want, depending on what you want. You can save or you can post it. If you save it to draft, you can go back again to edit the video. That's one thing about draft. Then if you go back, you can edit some clip if you want to show you delete clip if you want to, then other. You can see filter, any kind of effect, any kind of effect you want, you can use it to show you any effect you want down. This one now I'm using portraits, so that's why the back is blur. So that's it guys. It's really easy. It's not that difficult. All you have to do, if you go to home screen, you see video that you go to home screen, you like the video that is playing and you like the song, you can click on the song. It will save, it will show you add to favorite. You can add the song to your favorite or the sound to your favorite. So when you want to shoot your own video, you can use that sound to shoot your own video and for you to practice deliveries and all that. So you can save, you can share, you can then do a duet video with someone else. If you see a video you like, you can click on share. Then when underneath it you see duet, you can do a duet on that video. So you can love and all that. So that's it guys. I'm basically going back to my home page and posting it. You can post it if you want to. You can post the video if you want to and all that. And you want to check someone's profile, you can just, if you are in the person video, you can wipe and it will just show you. You can wipe right to show you the person's profile and all that. So that's basically it guys. It's really not that difficult. I hope this video was helpful and you learn from it. If it was helpful and you went ahead and practice it, please leave a comment below. Let me see. And please leave a comment below in the comment section. So that's it, guys. That's basically everything. That's how I made the TikTok video. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, follow me on all my social media. And I hope this video was helpful. If it was, if you learned something from it, please leave a comment down. And if you haven't subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so you all be notified anytime I drop a new video. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.